AI agents are starting to act inside real applications, placing orders, changing data, running workflows. But when an agent gets it wrong, a running application has no undo button. StateFork is that undo button. StateFork snapshots a live application, its entire in-memory state, not just the database, and restores it in seconds. Think Git branches, but for software that's actually running. This is a real online store. I'll add a couple of items to the cart. Real in-memory state. One click takes a snapshot of the entire running app, cart included. Now something goes wrong. The cart gets wiped or an agent makes a mess. One click to restore and the whole app rewinds. Memory, cart, everything. Back to exactly where we were. And here's why it matters for AI. An assistant acts for the user, it resets to a clean store, fills the cart with a curated pick, and snapshots the result. The agent can experiment freely because every step is a checkpoint you can branch from or roll back to. Snapshot, branch, and rewind any running application instantly. In a world where software and increasingly AI changes a real state, that's the safety layer. StateFork